If you've ever had the Hemi tick coming from your Hemi, go ahead and hit that like button.
Take you home with me.
So you want to test fit your bearings before installation. This one is wider than these ones, so that's how we know it's our front bearing. And then go through and make sure your bearings fit in the correct order. This one has a tighter tolerance on the second roller, whereas this one only fit the second roller and not the third. So go ahead and make sure to get those in the correct orientation. The oil holes lined up with the oil holes on your block. You're going to start with putting in your rear bearing first and work your way towards the front block.
And here, we see the auto mechanic in his natural environment.
Take you home with me. I don't get what you're saying. All of these games you're playing. Can't bother reading your message. No, I'm not here for your show, wasn't asking. But I've been quitting what you're taking. I've been sipping cause I'm making no regrets, I'm not insistent. Just gonna be what you were, I'm not missing you, yeah. I'm fucking down with all this shit you told me. Just regretting that I met you, damn you hold me down. All my fortune's just been wasted, all gone. Oh, you made me feel alone. You thought there's a cure. I went and let you be. Now I know for sure I don't wanna take you home with me.
That's why I don't do YouTube videos with this camera, because it is just sad. Keep going, keep going, keep going. There's a learning curve.
Yeah, I'm free falling, can you hear me calling for you? Yeah, I'm free falling, I'ma keep on falling